unboxing our Chinese.
Not Chinese New Year.
Oh, sorry. My husband don't like Chinese New Year. Okay, down. Wow. See the size. You see so small, my one, your one so big. I open first. You open first. Let's see.
I like orange.
Hermes.
Nice. One side. Okay. Very nice.
Two things. One thing.
My shoes.
Black color. Left, right. Oh, idea. Take away. In, take away.
Wow, this paper also good.
This paper. So stupid.
Wow, good quality.
Oh, this paper good quality. How about you wear? Wow, princess leg. Oh, shit. My God. Oh, princess. 12 o'clock must go back home. Ding, ding, ding. Refund. People one.
Okay, good.
Good.
In Malaysia, very stable. Sandal.
This one can.
Not every year, whole year can wear these shoes. Korea winter cannot wear.
Oh, yeah. Malaysia can wear. My turn. Go away.
Your turn.
My turn. My one.
Very nice.
Ooh. Wow, my one more nice. You see?
Some gift.
My one got this one. What is this?
Maybe the wear shoes one.
Then
Service.
see service. What is the service? Oh, the shoes
Eh?
line,
Oh.
the extra one, string, extra string. One pair of the shoes also. I think this one is the most how to say, most good wearing feeling, because I buy before some not nice, the feeling is not comfortable, just expensive, that's not comfortable, but now this one is really comfortable. I try already. This one very nice. Another one I show. So this is a pair of sideways.
Nice. Here also
Yeah.
H.
H.
It's
Yeah, I
also
didn't see now.
H,
Now,
H,
oh,
H.
H. Very beautiful. And then you can
Nice.
see here writing Hermes. Very nice. Boom for sure.
Pay, you know.
I pay lah.
I have.
How much you help? How much
What?
you help?
Oh, I
Oh,
don't
never
need to
said.
give.
You see. Don't.
Later I don't want to give. Finish.
Video illegal already. Now,
Finish.
you know the location or not?
No, you're at the back already.